Can I do it?
Get down from there, man. I said get.
Wait. Wait.
Ready? Hurry up, man. Please hurry.
What?
Is it on?
Yeah, it's still on. Go on.
Okay.
Get it and put it in his cage.
Oh, I got the bird. I got. Oh,
Show me the bird.
I'm showing you.
Wait, hold it back.
I don't know if it's a boy or girl. Can't really check. Just has some home where the poop comes out.
Hey, come on.
Wait, Pod, get this. Okay, look, see, this is right. Wait. Okay, check it out. These are the bird's foot, right? It's like, you know, in Batman, shoots a catapult, right? Opens. As soon as it grabs something, it just closes, right? Like, what? How is that? Why didn't you just get this bird and go? Oh, let's see. Here you go. What do you know? Oh, okay. Okay. See, I mean it, man. See, look, it goes on anything.
Okay, go and put it back in the cage.
Going to the cave. Yeah. This is his cage.
No.
No, I mean, this is the front watch. Gotta get this in the hand-on action. Oh, yeah. That's it.
Put it back in.
That's good stuff.
Put it back in.
Okay, now we're gonna put it in, man. Yeah. See, like I said, grab anything.